Yeah, Om Vishnupat, Vibrajok Acharya, Siddhandi Swami, Nitula Pushto Bhakti, Vallabh Tirtha Goswami মহারাজের জন্ম শতবার্ষিকী উপলক্ষে আমরা মায়াপুর বৃন্দাবন পুরী ভক্তগণ এসেছি মহারাজের দিব্য জন্ম শতবার্ষিকী উদযাপন তৎসঙ্গে সাধু সঙ্গে মহারাজের দিব্য হরিকথা শ্রবণ কীর্তন তথা নগর সংকীর্তন আদি Maharaj tells us many languages Harikatha, English, Uriya, Assamia or Bangla. Many bhasha he has preached. Maharaj one article says the 7 attainment in on chanting Harikatha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his first slok is glorifying the chant of Sri Krishna. Sri means beauty. What is the beauty of Krishna? Beauty is the attribute. Beauty is the attribute. So, attributes of a thing is the potency of a thing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is glorifying you chanting Sri Krishna means Radha Krishna. Attributes in concrete form is called Radhika. Maharaj says us. Maharaj Vallabh Tirtha Goswami tell us Sri Krishna means Radha Krishna. So you chanting Sri Krishna, you can 7 attainments. First attainment, Chetadarpanam Arjanam, Bhava Mahadavagni Nirvapanam. What is the when you perform Sankirtan? Perform Sankirtan means if you chanting holy names and forms, pastimes, attributes, and entries, one of meaning, and another meaning without tenfold offenses. When you chanting, the perform Sankirtan with all devotees loudly and collectively, it is also called Sankirtan. Or Parameshti Gurudev Bhakti Siddhanta Shastri Goswami Prabhupada discuss or explain that 3 meanings of Harinam Sankirtan. When we entrapped and wrongly thinking we are this body, but when we chanting Harinam, all affliction will go, all welfare will come, all auspiciousness will come, only chanting Harinam Sankirtan. Sayo Koirav Chandika Vitaranam. What is Koirav Chandika means we have chanting